Question 2. So we have formed differential equation of all straight line at a distance unity from 2, 0. This is x, this is y. So we have all straight line which is unity distance from 2, 0. So we may have some line like this, like this. So the perpendicular distance is 1. So if we put it as y equals to mx plus c, and we have the distance from 2, 0 as 2m plus c upon root under 1 plus m square modulus equals to 1. So we have 4m square plus c square plus 4mc equals to 1 plus m square. So this is simply c square plus 4mc minus 1 plus 3m square equals to 0. So c is what? Minus 4m plus minus root under b square minus 4ac plus 4 minus 12m square upon 2. So we got c in the form of m. So we will substitute c in the form of m. So we have the equation as y equals to mx and something c in the form of m. If we differentiate, we will have y dash equals to m. So what could we do is that c is in the form of this. Yes, this is this is simply minus 2m plus minus root under m square plus 1. So we can have y equals to m is what? X y dash plus c is what? Minus 2m plus minus root under y dash square plus 1. If we want to further simplify this, this will be y minus x y dash plus 2y dash whole square is equals to y dash whole square plus 1. This is the equation. Question 3 we will do